Hi guys, or morning, evening, whatever time zone you're in. Here in Sweden we have almost 8 a.m. and I had a request that to do a little bit more videos with my HQ15 account. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Maybe make a video later with my HQ18 on DrT, but as you can see, yeah, HQ15 starting to get there. I'm gonna get this up to 16 because I get one more landing craft and I get universal remote. I have to have Everspark to level 3 and I can't get her to level 3 until I have HQ16, so that's one more reason. And one more landing craft, and yeah, that's about it. But I'm gonna stick to 16 for the smaller guys. Make some videos every now and then if I have time after my trip. For the new guys, hi and welcome. Fusion, I don't know if he did it to be nice, but I think he did that just to mess with me. He pinned a message to get me more subscribers, so I have to have the giveaway. Yeah, but yeah, let's see how it goes. We have I loaded Everspark for these stages because she releases critters, and yeah, the critters are awesome. For those of you that are HQ19 and have critters, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, they give you free GBE, they run around getting boxes, and yeah, well, they take fire from defenders. I mean, they are by the sniper tower before my troops are. And that's awesome. Just to release more critters. Stage 1, easy. Stick to the right side and you'll be fine. And let's see. Stage 2. Yeah, not that much free GB, but I'm gonna show you how to get the GB. You release Everspark, wait for her to drop one critter box. Come on, drop your critters. There you go. And then you move all the way to the back where you gonna have your troops. And now we're gonna start getting rid of some defenses here, while she and her critters get us more GBE. And now we drop our troops. Now there's nothing that can harm my troops. See, there comes more critters and more critters. I haven't even used the critter button that I'm gonna do now. And now we have a clear spot for stage 2. They even took out the mines. So yeah. Come on. Trying not to make this video that long. Yeah, we're gonna do the same. Look at how much free GB we can get there. Maybe those rockets will make the life more difficult for me, but we're gonna take out that and we are gonna drop her here again. Wait for her to drop some critters. Come on. There we go. Then we're gonna walk her back here. This one we're gonna get. Oh, that was expensive. I think we should be out of range for everything else. Let's get that one down. Maybe don't have the GB for that. Maybe need to shock them. Yeah, let's shock them and take them with their troops. Oh no, 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 no. One rocket launcher found us. Let's stick to the side. Boom mines, not that dangerous. We lost some ladies, but we got it down. Stage 3, nice. Lost a couple of Sukas. Could have used one boat of riflemen because they are faster to load. But yeah, that's fine. I have endless reserves, so that's a quick fix. And we have a little bit trickier. No GB, we can't send Everspark. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna do one thing that I'm gonna show you one thing. How to get rid of this one. First, we drop one smoke and say 3 ladies. 4 bows, actually. Wasn't my attention, but 4 bows it went. And now we're gonna take out the mortar. And the rocket launcher, like that. And then we're gonna move back here. Drop the rest of our troops. And this one we are gonna have to get the hard way. Probably spend all our GBE in order to try to get that one down, because that's gonna be a problem. But let's see. Let's get back to that corner. And now we're gonna get in between those and shock them. So we can get in between them. Because they have a dead spot. We should be able to stand. Yeah, they took some. But that's fine. Let's stick to that upper corner. The critters are distracting everything, and we can stand here and just burn. Look at that. Oh, how lovely. Lovely. Stage 4 goes down. I mean, you could do this even if your Sukas aren't this high level as I have. But if you are watching my videos, you know I love Sukas. You should upgrade them, have them high. You should use them in operations because they are, I consider they have to be one of the strongest. Let's see, stage 5. No. Stage 5 is too hard for this level. Yeah, not gonna happen. But let's take a look at some bases. I love to run with warriors since this age 15 is so low. I didn't have that much loot for being this hard to kill. Wow, got the 54 instead. That's bad. Yep, not gonna happen. Level 45 then. Yeah, this one should be doable with warriors. Yeah, let's change to warriors and battle order. My warriors are only level 7. My Sukas are level 14. Yeah, we need to get battle order also. I hardly ever use Kavan, so I can't say anything about Kavan. I don't know how good he is or what's good and what's bad with his abilities. So I'm not gonna give you any advice on that one. Let's see, I think we're gonna run up, yeah. We're gonna run up this right side. So let's get rid of all those mines. Drop our hero first. Give her a bit head start. And let's start running now. Come on. And smoke. Did Brick make it over there? Yeah, I believe so. And ability and shock. Come on. Medkit. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, the reason why I flare next to the HQ first is to get Brick closer. And I put that smoke just before the smoke on the HQ, so the brick pops out. First, she starts her ability when she pops up, and then she distracts the first couple of things that attacks. This should be an easy one. Doesn't have that much loot, but never mind, let's take him out. Brick first. She runs slower than the warriors and get to the back corner there. Let's put one smoke, and one smoke there, and let's get behind the HQ. Smoke. Get Brick with us there. Yeah, Brick is coming. Ability and shock, maybe something like that. They even took the HQ even if I didn't flare it, because that was the closest. It's nice. Yeah, well, as you can see, I try to run the most I can unboosted. Nothing boosted. Should have boosted the resource reward if I wanted to start something more expensive to upgrade. But yeah, I don't have that for now. Really don't know what to upgrade. Start to landing crafts, but I need to get to experience level 37. Yeah, 37, so it's a bit where I have some clearings left. Yeah, but let's get the daily chest first. Let's look at this guy. I have to clear some mines around the HQ first, and then we have. Yeah, let's do it. Let's try. Let's give it a try. Pretty nice mine placement for running up the Sukas and warriors. You can always flank. Take one side. And run up a bit. And then when you get there, turn. One shock should be plenty. Yeah, look at that. Sweet. Yeah, like I said, Warrior 7. So this is how I usually fastest way to clean my map. And Warriors doesn't take forever to load up. So even if you don't have endless reserves like I do, you should be able to just sit and wait if you want to start a more expensive upgrade. Yeah, let's start. How far from landing craft are we? Yeah, not that far. It's the stone that's gonna be the problem. Stone is the problem. Do we have how many? Yeah, not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. I'm gonna start making the next video from my HQ 18. So let's just start something up. And what should we do with the gold? Let's start Kavan. And let's open up some map. Oh, 9 diamonds. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and peace.